Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Mukhang hindi pa tapos ang kwento ni Manny Pacquiao sa mundo ng boxing. Majority draw o tabla kasi ang naging desisyon ng mga hurado sa laban ng ating boxing legend at WBC welterweight champ na si Mario Barrios. Ang comeback fight ni Pacman ay ginanap sa MGM Grand Garden Arena sa Las Vegas kaninang umaga, July 20. Isang hurado ang nagbigay ng 115 hanggang 113 pabor kay Barrios, habang ang dalawa naman ay nagtabla ng 114 hanggang 114. Dahil naging tabla ang laban ng dalawa, nanatiling kampyon ng WBC World Welterweight Division si Barrios. Sa mga unang rounds, grabe bumanat ang ating pambato, pero pagdating sa huling 3 rounds ay todo bawi ang Mexican-American fighter. "I thought I won the fight," say ni Pacquiao pagkatapos ng laban. Patuloy niya, "It was a close fight. My opponent was very tough. But it was a wonderful fight. I was trying to find a way para matapos ang laban pero sobrang higpit ng kalaban ko. Kombinasyon at depensa ang ibinato niya, kaya mahirap," aniya pa. Samantalang si Barrios, kahit aminin mong swerte sa tabla, ay todo respeto pa rin kay pambansang kamao. "I thought I pulled it out," lahad ni Barrios. Sambit pa niya, "But I still tip my hat to Manny. It was an honor to share the ring with him, somebody with so much experience who has accomplished so much in this sport. We left everything in the ring, nothing but love and respect." Hindi rin may tago ni Barrios ang pagkabilib sa tibay ng ating pambato. "That's crazy. His stamina, he can still crack and he's still strong as hell. His timing, his rhythm, everything. He was still a very awkward fighter to figure out.